Today we're going to go biking to North Macedonia. But look at this view. This is from our Hotel Belvedere. It is just another beautiful day out here. There are a little bit of clouds, but not too shabby.
Why don't you ride a bike? Love, la la la. Why don't you ride a bike anymore? Why don't you ride a bike? Love, la la la. Why don't you ride a bike anymore? Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk? Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore? Why don't you let in the sun?
Welcome to one of the most scenic bike rides in the Balkans. From the lakeside town of Pogradec, Albania, all the way to the mystical St. Naum Monastery in North Macedonia. Today we're crossing borders, cultures, and breathtaking landscapes, all on two wheels. Let's ride.
Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk? Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore?
Pogradec is a beautiful lakeside city in Albania. There are paths for many kilometers for walking, running, and biking along Lake Ohrid. You find many parks, beachfront lounging, and places to get coffee or drink along the way.
Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk? Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore?
During the ride, we saw many bunkers along the roadside to remind you of the years of communism.
I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits. If I hop on it, then what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits. If I hop on it, then what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits. If I hop on it, then what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits.
When coming upon one of the visitor centers, you may get the excitement of seeing a horse roaming freely as we did.
I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits. If I hop on it, then what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits. If I hop on it, then what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. Music loud, these niggas with hits. If I hop on it, then what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get lit. I come to party, trying to get lit. It's time to ride. Pick a squad, I'm chasing the bag, I promise to God. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma get a bag. Get a bag, yeah, I'ma get a bag. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma get a bag. Get a bag, yeah, I'ma get a bag. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma get a bag. Get a bag, yeah, I'ma get a bag. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma get a bag. Get a bag, yeah, I'ma get a bag. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma trying to get hit. Music loud, just get it with hits. If I hop on it, then do what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get hit. Music loud, just get it with hits. If I hop on it, then do what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get hit. Music loud, just get it with hits. If I hop on it, then do what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get hit. Music loud, just get it with hits. If I hop on it, then do what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get hit. Music loud, just get it with hits. If I hop on it, then do what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get hit. Music loud, just get it with hits. If I hop on it, then do what you get. I just go in on the flip of a switch. I come to party, trying to get hit.
After about 30 minutes of bike riding, we reached the checkpoint to leave Albania. It took us about 5 minutes for 3 of us to show our passports and get through the checkpoint. It took us about 3 to 4 minutes to bike between leaving Albania's checkpoint to checking into North Macedonia with our passports. The process took about 3 to 4 minutes also to show our passports to get into North Macedonia. Once across the terrain shifts, we're now in Galicica National Park, surrounded by lush forests and panoramic lake views. The road climbs gently, offering stunning vistas and a sense of serenity that's hard to describe. While biking to St. Naum, you will see on the left side the Church of St. Enthusiast. always, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel and adventure content with Love Happy Adventure. And as always, keep exploring and creating your happy place.